of you for participating in this opening, because it's really, really critical in terms of us defining the future of transportation and using this as a going forward measure for us. The Vesper Trail represents just another important way for the residents to access that part of Tyson's Corner. I came along Route 7, and guess what? It took a long time. And I thought, gee, I really wish there was another way, and this is the way.
I, Catherine Hudgins, do solemnly swear.
When I think about serving on the Board of Supervisors, I call it a continuum of my life. And one of the most enjoyable things is serving and finding solutions for people in need. When we purchased the Crescent, those families continued in our community. So it's not only the affordability of the house, it's where the house can be to be part of community that receives the thriving services. Well, this is an exciting day that we are opening up the Hunter Mill District and Police Station, which is the North County Governmental Center. And it really serves the entire community. This is the part about the One Fairfax and how we look at our budget and all of our policies to see whether or not we really are moving really in a measured way that says this budget is looking at the entire community and making decisions about how we move forward in a truly equitable way.